In today's episode of the Insole Designer tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a step pelote like this only from MTP 2 to 4. So for this, first we think about what would we do manually. Okay, manually we would take some material and glue like this, probably something like this. Then we would take the scissors, cut away what's overhanging here. This might be the highest area around here, and all the others like here, we would grind down, right? So from here it starts at 0 millimeters all the way here. So that's what we would do manually, and exactly that's what we're gonna copy in the CAD system. So we select the correct blank in PedOffice, we import here, in this case we have a 2D scan, and now we take the closed contour with the variable midpoint. And we're gonna draw exactly the same pattern. So we start here, we do this, then we go down here, and that's it. Highest point, we're gonna select somewhere here. Increase first to see what happens. Okay. And now remember, we can always select the points and reposition them. If we don't like the positioning, we can just reposition everything. We're gonna increase the gradient. So we're gonna have a steeper edge here. Maybe like this. Okay, 6 millimeters is a lot, so maybe let's go down to 3. Gradient, that looks good. So the midpoint is here. That's the maximum elevation. From here to the edges, it will be grinded down. So here we have 3 millimeters all the way down to this point where we have 0. Let's take a look. I think that looks already pretty good. Maybe you want to add a 3 gradient. So now we have really a step here. If we like it, we accept. We rotate again and take a look at the insole. If now, because we glued material all the way here as well, right? So maybe we want to lower this area again, so now we can do the adjustments. Let's take the .3D line and lower the pelote if it's too high. Increase the effective width, and if there's some harsh transitions that we can't see here, but if there would be, sometimes depending on the height, maybe there's some transitions here, some edges. You can also take the smooth function and go in that direction where we added the elements like this and just smooth it. And that's basically it. So now we have a nice step from MTP 5 to MTP 2. MTP 1 is as it was before. That's how you can do it.